what it do, SRT gang. Get your boy with the fat SwaggyReacts, and we are back with another reaction video, man. And today, guys, I want to give you guys some more Rammstein. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's been a minute since I did a Rammstein, man, because I ain't gonna lie. Like I've been doing like a lot of like Rammstein reactions, but like a lot of them like be getting blocked, man, like for real, man. So now I'm thinking about starting like a Patreon for you guys, yo. Like let me know like if you guys would be interested in me doing a Patreon so I can start posting my blocked videos on here, because I have a lot of videos like that's been blocked, as far as like AC/DC, Led Zeppelin, a lot of people, bro. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people. So if you guys want me to start a Patreon, please let me know down in the comment section. But yo, today, now It's Will has been highly requested ever since I've started reacting to Rammstein, bro. And like every single like Rammstein reaction I've done, like this has been in the comment section multiple times. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like today's the day for me to go ahead and give you guys what you want, what you guys been waiting for. You know what I'm saying? And when I looked up the English like translation for it, and it means I want. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this, man. So please make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Go follow me on all my social medias down in the description below, man. We're on the road to 20K. That's the only way we're gonna get there, if you hit that subscribe button. If not, share it in social media once again. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Ich will.
Here we go.
Ich will. Ich will. Ich will.
Here we go, bro. Y'all know how Rammstein do when it comes to these live performances. They are the masters. I don't care what y'all got to say. They are the masters of performing, bro. Like, cause it's something different every single time. Literally, it's every single time. Something's different.
Ich will.
Look at my man Flocka, yes sir. There go the other goat. Let's get it, man.
Ich will. Ich will.
Like my man Till, like you know what Till be getting hype when he be got them getting into it like that. Let's get it, Till. Yes sir.
Ich will, dass ihr mir vertraut. Ich will.
Ja.
Ich will, dass ihr mir glaubt. Ich will eure Blicke spüren. Ich will jeden Herzschlag kontrollieren. Ich will eure Stimmen hören. Ich will die Ruhe stören. Ich will, dass ihr mich gut seht. Ich will, dass ihr mich versteht.
Yo, come on, bro. Hey, bro, listen. Every time they perform, bro, like you gotta expect the unexpected with these guys, bro, because they are literally the masters of surprise. They be having just flames coming anywhere, blood flying anywhere. There's no telling what you're gonna get from Rammstein. It's just not. You're not. There ain't no telling what you're gonna get. For real.
Fantasie. Ich will eure Energie. Ich will eure Hände sehen. Im Beifall untergehen. Seht ihr mich? Versteht ihr mich? Fühlt ihr mich? Hört ihr mich? Könnt ihr mich hören? Könnt ihr mich
Oh, bro, listen, bro. Like, you can't tell that Rammstein just want to make you just get up and just start. Just do something violent for some reason. I don't know. I love it, bro. I love it, bro. That's Rammstein, yo. Like, how many people, like, do you guys think that was at this show, man? Please let me know down in the comment section as well. I would love to know, because it looked like it's a festival, so it could be up to, like, 20,000, 50,000, probably even more than that. Who knows?
Könnt ihr mich sehen? Könnt ihr mich fühlen? Ich verstehe euch nicht. Könnt ihr mich hören? Könnt ihr mich sehen? Könnt ihr mich fühlen? Ich verstehe euch nicht. Wir wollen, dass ihr uns vertraut. Wir wollen, dass ihr uns alles glaubt. Wir wollen eure Hände sehen. Wir wollen im Beifall untergehen. Wenn ihr uns hört, könnt ihr uns fühlen. Wir verstehen euch nicht. Könnt ihr uns hören? Könnt ihr uns sehen? Könnt ihr uns fühlen? Wir verstehen euch.
But you can't tell, bro, so I don't get you hyped, bro. Oh my gosh. I have to go to a show, bro. I have to, bro. It just has to happen. It has to. So whenever they're coming back to the USA, I need to go. Period. It needs to happen. Oh my gosh, bro. Come on, bro. Listen, bro. Listen. If you're a diehard Rammstein fan, look up the tour, bro, and need to know when they're coming to the US, bro. Cause I gotta see these guys live, man. That's even if they're even doing tours right now. Know what I'm saying? This was like a few years ago. Know what I'm saying? And we all know that the whole pandemic thing's still going on, but they're opening up places. So maybe we'll see what's up, man. Hopefully we'll be able to get a concert or something eventually. You feel me? But let me know what you guys thought about this video, by liking or disliking the video. Like, let me know what other songs you guys want me to react to as far as Rammstein. You know what I'm saying? Like, send me a list of songs you guys want me to react to. Like, I have a whole playlist of like Rammstein, so go check that out. Make sure you guys like go give those videos a thumbs up and share it on your social media as well, man. And I'll be back with another. Let's get this video to 500 likes, and I got y'all, man. And SRT gang, I am out this thing, man. Let's get it.